Stop scrolling.
You need to see this video if you're an international student coming to France for the next intake and you do not have a scholarship. Basically, the campaign for cruise accommodations has opened today, which means that if you take action today, you might have the possibility to stay in a student accommodation, which is not only cheap and offers good facilities, but is also located quite close to the main university campus. Here is exactly what you need to do. Step 1 is to create your account on the website called Mes Services Étudiants. Once you log into the website, you scroll down and you go to the section which says Finding Accommodation. Therein, you select the very first option, which is Finding Accommodation in Cruise Residences. This will take you to the main website of Cruise, wherein you actually have to make your file and submit your application. On the main page, you will see there are two options. The first one being an accommodation for this year, which is 2025-26, and the other option will be 2026-27. Remember to select the 26-27 option in order to get the right dates of the accommodation that the website will be showing to you. You will also have the possibility to enter filters or preferences, like the city where you will be staying, the kind of accommodation that you need, means sharing bases or not, the surface area, or any other factors. You put in your preferences and then you click on search. This takes you to the next page wherein you will see accommodation options. Now this is a place where you need to pay attention. You need to evaluate all the accommodations that are in your region in terms of factors like prices, distance from your college, room size, facilities, etc., etc. Once you find an accommodation that interests you, you click on it and you will be able to see all the details listed there. Everything about the accommodation, plus the amount that you need to pay as rent, the amount that you need to pay as security, plus photos of the accommodation in reality. So that way you have an idea of what you're selecting. For example, here on the screen, I take a dummy accommodation, I click on it, I read all the details and I see if it's okay. If everything is fine, I see on the right hand side there are dates proposed. These dates in my screen are for this year, but for your screen will show for the next year. So you basically click on OK and there'll be a small pop-up box which will ask you to reconfirm the dates. You accept that and that takes you to your cart. Remember that you can add multiple accommodations to your cart, but you can submit the actual request for only one accommodation at a time. So once you're in your cart and you've decided which accommodation you want to proceed with, now is the time to make your file. It's actually very simple. You click on request a reservation. It takes you on the application and you fill in your personal details. Remember that your level of studies plays a role here because some accommodations might not be available for licence level students and it's only available for master level students. So put in your details correctly. Do not make errors there. Apart from this, there will also be other basic questions related to your program. Fill all of those and in the end, you will be asked to submit 1. A proof of financial resources, 2. University enrollment certificate, and 3. Proof of your level of study. For each of these documents, the website has little explanations of what exactly you need to submit. So you do all of that, you finalize your application and you submit and you wait. Like I mentioned in the previous video, you will receive a response from them very soon. And once you receive a positive response, you will have a window of 5 days to either accept or reject the proposition. In case you accept what they've proposed to you, you have to pay a deposit of 70 euros, which will be balanced against your first month's rent. Remember that cruise accommodations are proposed on the website on a rolling basis, which means that if today it says that there's nothing available, tomorrow that might not be the case. So keep coming back and keep checking. The window closes on the 30th of July, so you have quite some time to try your luck. Now, with all that being said, take my advice and do not rely solely on cruise accommodation because this is not a reliable option. There are very high chances that you might not get a place. Come back tomorrow for the next part of this video, wherein I'll tell you about the alternatives that you can try out in order to secure an accommodation as soon as possible. And that's it. This is how you apply for a cruise accommodation in France. I really hope you find a place and I really hope it works out for you. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to follow me before you leave and I'll see you soon for the next one. Bye-bye.